up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with Andy again, and of course the 2018 Mustang GT 5.0.
That's it.
And today I say we because I ain't gonna do nothing. He is gonna do a Resonator delete, and he's gonna tell us a little bit of why he wants to do that.
Yeah. So the first thing is the factory Resonator is very heavy. I venture to say it's 40-50 pounds. So we're going to lose some weight by ditching that. We're also going to gain some flow. These pipes here are going to flow a lot better. They're a little larger than the Resonator here. We're going to gain a whole lot of sound, and plus we're going to have a little bit of exhaust scavenging going on here, kind of help pull stuff through the motor.
For those of you that have been around for a while, you'll know on my 2019 Charger Scat Pack, I actually did a muffler delete, and I got a lot of questions of why I did the muffler delete and not the Resonator delete. And Andy here can kind of explain what the difference is between a muffler delete and the Resonator delete and what you can expect out of each one. And if you want to check out the video about the Charger, I will put a link somewhere over here.
Yeah. So the main difference is your typical Resonator is a straight through design. It usually has a bunch of holes drilled in it, similar to a glass pack. It has a fiberglass packing in it. And what that does is kind of take out the rasp and the harshness of an exhaust. Now your muffler, your typical muffler has a bunch of chambers inside. So whether you're going with like a Flowmaster style muffler that's got maybe 2 or 3 chambers, or a stock muffler which have typically a lot more than that, that's your main difference is chambers and the straight through design of a Resonator. So,
all right. So you went with the CNL Sport Axleback exhaust, and he bought the CNL H-pipe to go along with it. So if you're wondering what they're going to sound like together, you already have the before, which I can link. Again, I can edit something in, put it in here, and then afterwards we can put what the entire system sounds like with a mid pipe and the sport back. Whenever you're ready. 2,000 RPMs, you said? 4,000. 6,000. I kind of want to